Hi, my name's Lisa Cleminson and I'm the Stations Director here at Transport for Wales. I'm relatively new into the role, joined the rail industry about 6 weeks ago. I was attracted to TFW because of the large-scale investment programme that's currently going on and the opportunities that presents. And anything from the customer experience through to the redevelopment of the stations, and I strongly believe that I've got transferable skills to bring on board and make a real difference within the rail industry. So in my role as Stations Director, I'm responsible for the 248 stations across the Transport for Wales network in Wales. And I look after the customer experience across the whole of the network. I'm also responsible for the gate lines, for the customer integration team and also the revenue protection team. But one of the things that I enjoy most is going across the network, travelling, meeting the teams, meeting our customers along the way, but also looking at how we can improve that customer experience and also bring the teams and my team along on that journey to support that integration. As a woman, I've spent the majority of my career working in industries that I perceive to be very male-dominated, such as logistics, transport, warehousing, airline aviation industry and now the rail industry. And I strongly believe that through everything I've learned through the years, I'm in a really good position to bring those skills and what I've learned into the rail industry in Transport for Wales. There's some amazing opportunities out there, and I think if you're willing to work hard, be an authentic leader, and bring your skills, very transferable skills to these industries, the opportunities out there are immense. And I think it's just worth noting that, you know, the future generations out there watching, I want my daughter to be really, really proud of what I've achieved. And I would just say, as any woman in any industry, just go for it. The opportunities are there, and working for Transport for Wales, I can see that it's a really inclusive culture and I'm really excited to be part of that.